OnePlus and McLaren will be releasing a special edition of the OnePlus XT in the next few days. We get some CAD renders of the Sony Xperia XZ4, which will be Sony's first triple camera phone. It looks like Microsoft will be refreshing the Surface keyboard and the design of the tablet, finally. I'm Jaime Rivera, and para aquellos de ustedes que hablan español, for those of you that speak Spanish, don't forget about the giveaways in the Spanish channel. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by Swappa. The official news today begin with things that Apple should have done a long time ago. I mean, I've always complained about trade-in programs with Apple because they give you very little money. But clearly, because the XR and the XS aren't selling very well, the company is now giving you $100 more for your trade-in. It starts with the iPhone 6. You can't trade in an iPhone 8, 8 Plus, or 10. But yeah, you get $100 more depending on the condition of your product. You learn more about the list and the money in the description. Now let's talk about Project Fi, which is now being dubbed Google Fi. It's no longer a project, it's now an official product, and even if the money doesn't change and the plans and everything, the benefits are still there, and the cool part is that a ton of phones are now being supported, including iPhones, including Sony phones, Essential, OnePlus devices, Samsung. There's a full list for this in the description. I am a huge Project Fi customer, so I'm liking this. Now let's talk about Microsoft, as one of the biggest complaints about products like the Surface Pro is the fact that it still uses USB-A. It still looks like if it was from 4 years ago, because that's how old the design is, and well, there's really no innovation in the hardware. There are some patents where that's going to change. It's going to get slimmer, the trackpad and the design of the keyboard is apparently going to change. When are we getting this? We don't know, but it mimics a lot of what we see with the Surface Go, only slimmer, which is great. Now let's move the spotlight over to Sony, as yes, I still have a Sony Xperia XZ4 there for review. I'll get to it soon. I mean, we've been trying to get done with these reviews for a while, but now we see the XZ4. The company's being very aggressive about their launches. I mean, this year we've had the XZ2, XZ2 Premium, XZ3. XZ4 is triple cameras according to the CAD renders, no notch, no headphone jack, but a larger display. Yeah, I mean, Sony seems to be finally waking up and smelling the coffee of design. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with OnePlus and the new special edition for the 6T. I mean, we've seen special editions in the past for Star Wars, for example, or different color options. But now we've got the company partnering with McLaren in a salute to speed, according to the slogan. Set your calendars for December 11th. Apparently, we're not just getting a different coat of paint. There seems to be something different about this phone, and I'm really curious to see. Well, let us know in the comments down below. What do you expect to change for this phone? Do you expect it to just be another coat of paint, as most people believe, or do you think that it's going to be something different? I think that this is a good opportunity for OnePlus to show us something new, but that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. And before we end this video, we would love to thank our sponsor Swappa for making our content possible. Swappa is not just about buying or selling used phones. You can also list your current Apple Watch, get some good money for it, and buy the new Series 4, which is undoubtedly the best smartwatch Apple has ever made. Follow the link in the description below to learn more about what Swappa can do for you. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.